Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and healthy. Now, today we will study the topic bar magnet and its properties. So, in bar magnet, uh, the actual length between the poles is called magnetic length, and its its actual geometrical length is shown here. So, what is the difference between the two? Actually, the magnetic length is somewhat smaller than the geographic length because the magnetic length is taken between the two poles of the magnet, and geographic length is actual length of the magnet. Magnetic axis is the first point. The magnetic axis is that which is joining the two poles of the magnet. So, what is the magnetic length? It is the distance between the poles of the magnet, and the distance between the end points of the magnet is called geometrical length of the magnet. So usually it is greater than the magnetic length. So as the magnetic length is smaller than the geographic length, so that's why the ratio uh, from magnetic to the geographic length is 0.84. So now a current a loop which is acting as a dipole. So this is also a dipole. So what would be the magnetic dipole moment in context with bar magnet? So that we will calculate, and that is given by. So first, let's say this: a pair of magnetic poles of equal and opposite strength separated by a finite distance is called a magnetic dipole, called bar magnet also. And what is the magnetic dipole moment? Its magnitude is the product of the pole strength and the separation between the poles. So as the SI unit of pole strength is ampere meter, so what do you think? What about the this SI unit of magnetic dipole moment? Now, as you see here, it is equal to magnetic dipole moment multiplied by the this pole strength multiplied by the magnetic length. So that's why its SI unit will be ampere meter into meter, ampere meter square. The SI unit of magnetic moment will be as ampere meter square. The direction is given by the direction of magnetic dipole moment is always from south pole to the north pole. So that is being shown here in this diagram. So now let me write the SI unit here. So the SI unit of is given by SI unit of magnetic dipole moment is ampere meter square, and that is also found by using IA magnetic moment, that is the formula given by current into area vector, and that is also equal to ampere meter square. So now we will compare the properties between a solenoid and a bar magnet in the next two figures. So field lines due to a bar magnet is you have also studied it in 10th class also, and that is starting from north pole, which and the and at south pole of the magnet, and all are continuous curves, and because they are being overlapped by the magnet, so inside the curves are not shown here. So now if we compare it with bar this solenoid, we can see that these are exactly the similar. Now you can see here, this is a previous slide, and now this is a magnetic field line due to a solenoid, and they are exactly the same here if you compare it with the bar magnet. Okay.